Ever wished you could have a conversation with a super smart assistant who just gets you? Imagine asking it anything, from daily tips to complex solutions, and getting exactly what you need, every single time. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's the power of prompt engineering in artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to break it down for you, no tech jargon, just simple, actionable steps to help you master this amazing skill. Introduction. Prompt engineering sounds complicated, doesn't it? But think of it this way, it's like giving instructions to a really smart friend who wants to help you out. Whether it's drafting an email, summarizing a book, or even planning your day, you just need to know how to ask the right way. And that's what prompt engineering is all about. In this video, we're going to explore how you can start crafting these prompts to communicate with AI like a pro, without needing a tech degree. Understanding AI and its language. Let's simplify this. Think of AI as a super smart librarian who knows everything but needs you to ask the right question. When you type a question or prompt into an AI like ChatGPT, you're not just talking to a machine, you're giving it instructions based on patterns it learned from loads of information. It doesn't understand like a human, but it does recognize what you're asking if you phrase it well. For example, if you ask, "Give me a summary of Romeo and Juliet," the AI gets that you want a condensed version of Shakespeare's play. But if you ask, "How can I impress my date like Romeo?" the AI will look for modern-day tips inspired by the romantic themes of the play. See the difference? It's all about the way you ask. Core elements of an effective prompt. Okay, so how do you craft a great prompt? Here are 4 core elements you need to keep in mind. Clarity, be crystal clear. If you're vague, the AI's answer will be vague too. Instead of saying, "Tell me about plants," be specific, explain the photosynthesis process in simple terms. Specificity, the more detailed you are, the better the AI can tailor its response. For example, "What are the benefits of a plant-based diet for heart health?" will get you a focused answer. Context, providing some context can help AI understand exactly what you want. For instance, saying, "As a beginner in gardening, how should I start planting herbs?" gives more background than simply asking, "How do I grow herbs?" Instruction, tell the AI how to respond. A prompt like, "Create a 5-step guide for setting up a home office," is way more actionable than just saying, "Tell me about home offices." Examples and case studies. Let's look at some practical examples to understand the difference between good prompts and not so good ones. Example 1, writing a blog post. Not so great prompt, write a blog post. Great prompt, write a 500-word blog post on the benefits of remote work for small businesses, including at least 3 statistics and a real-life example. Example 2, solving a math problem. Not so great prompt, solve this math problem. Great prompt, solve the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, and show each step clearly. See what's happening? The better prompts are specific, provide context, and clearly state what's needed. Best practices and tips for crafting effective prompts. So, how can you start crafting better prompts? Here are some quick tips. Use bullet points, break down your requests into bullet points. For instance, create a to-do list for launching a new product. Market research steps. Product development tasks. Marketing strategy outline. Sales and distribution plans. Post-launch review and feedback collection. Set parameters for creativity. Want the AI to get creative? Just say so. Write a creative, funny story about a cat who becomes a detective, versus write a factual description of a cat's daily life. Iterate and refine, don't be afraid to tweak your prompts. If the first one doesn't work, try another approach. It's like having a back-and-forth conversation until you get it just right. Conclusion, experiment and learn. Remember, prompt engineering is all about experimenting. The more you try, the better you'll get at it. Start with simple instructions and gradually challenge yourself with more complex prompts. You'll soon find yourself communicating with AI more effectively than ever before. Now it's your turn. Have you tried prompt engineering yet? Drop your favorite prompts in the comments or ask any questions you have. Let's learn and grow together in this exciting field. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of AI. And that's a wrap for today. See you next time with more simple and engaging AI tips. Until then, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun.